Join me as I dive into the latest Pstv stock update and challenge myself to predict what's next for this stock. Pstv has been on everyone's radar lately, and for good reason. As a leader in its industry, Pstv stock performance has far-reaching implications for the entire market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the world of stock trading, keeping an eye on Pstv's movements is crucial for making informed decisions. Pstv stock has been on a rollercoaster ride in recent months, with fluctuations that have left even the most seasoned investors scratching their heads. One day, it's surging to new highs; the next, it's plummeting downward, leaving many to wonder what's driving these dramatic changes. Some point to the changing regulatory landscape, while others blame global economic uncertainty. But one thing is certain: Pstv stock is not for the faint of heart. Despite its volatility, Pstv's fundamentals remain strong, with quarterly earnings exceeding expectations and a strong product pipeline that shows no signs of slowing down. However, with great reward comes great risk, and investors would do well to exercise caution when considering adding Pstv to their portfolios. That being said, for those willing to take the leap, the potential payoff could be substantial. But what's really behind Pstv's recent struggles? Is it a symptom of a larger market trend, or is something more sinister at play? One thing is certain: with Pstv stock, you can never say you're bored, and that's what makes it so fascinating. Recent market trends suggest that investors are becoming increasingly skittish, with many fleeing to safer havens like bonds and index funds. But for those willing to take a closer look, Pstv stock may present a unique buying opportunity, especially if you believe, as I do, that the company's strong fundamentals will ultimately win out in the end. When it comes to company developments, Pstv has been making all the right moves, investing heavily in research and development while simultaneously strengthening its balance sheet. And yet, despite these positive developments, the stock continues to struggle, a fact that has left many experts scratching their heads. According to several industry insiders, Pstv's management team is aware of the challenges facing the company and is working tirelessly to address them. Whether or not these efforts will pay off remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Pstv stock will continue to be a wild ride for the foreseeable future. Of course, not everyone is convinced that Pstv stock is a good bet. Some prominent experts have come out swinging, calling the company's current valuation unsustainable and predicting a sharp correction in the coming months. But I'm not so sure. In my opinion, Pstv stock has got at least one more surge left in it before things settle down. So what does the future hold for Pstv stock? In my estimation, the next 6 months will be crucial, with several key announcements and developments set to shape the company's trajectory for years to come. Make no mistake, it won't be smooth sailing, but for those willing to ride the waves, the potential rewards could be substantial. To recap, Pstv stock has had a wild ride lately, with fluctuations driven by a combination of market trends, company developments, and expert opinions. While the road ahead is uncertain, one thing is clear: Pstv stock will remain a key player in the market for the foreseeable future. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into Pstv stock update. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more stock updates and analysis. If you're new here, consider checking out my previous video on related topics, and I'll catch you all in the next one.